Whoa. 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 Fold your paper in half. Don't worry about folding it perfectly because I probably did not cut the paper correctly. We want to make our cuts on the fold. On this fold. Not up here. Not where it's open. Down here on the fold. So we need 2 cuts. Keep it folded. 2 cuts. You don't need to draw lines like I am. I'm doing this so you can see it more easily. My mom still won't let me use the big kid scissors, so I have to use these. 1, 2. There we go. We want to push out our pop-up. So from the back, push it out like this. Pinch it. Pull it closed. Pinch your fold. Pinch it right on your fold. Open it up. There it is. Oh no, this marker doesn't work. I ruined it by drawing on a wet painting. This is what I had on my 5th grade birthday cake. I hope my friend likes this idea also. Let's make some water. Splashing up. Water. Whoa. Oops. The next step is to cut it out. My mom still won't let me use the big kid scissors. I just asked her, don't rush like I am, or else you'll make a mistake. Like I am. Okay, now this is eventually going to be glued on my pop-up. This shark will pop up. Let's decorate the background. Pick a theme. It could be any theme you would like. You could make a Christmas card, a Halloween card, a birthday card, New Year's, Valentine's Day, or any occasion. Whatever you would like. I don't care. Leave some room at the bottom for your message. Check your spelling. Your. This means you are. Not like this. This means something belongs to you. This means you are. You are. Jawsome. No laughing. Now, I don't know if this is actually a word, so ask your language arts teacher. I love the literary arts. You can use crayons, markers, whatever you have. Do the best with what you have. I made a mistake. Oh, whoa, that was an accident. Looks kind of cool, though. It's time to attach our pop-up. You only need a little bit of glue. Glue right here. Only use a little bit of glue. I have the purple glue. Don't be jealous if you don't. Make sure all of this glue gets covered up by your pop-up, or else you will glue your card shut and you will get an F. It is time to make a cover. We want our cover to hide this so that whoever we give this card to is really surprised when they open it and there's a pop-up jump scare. Take another piece of paper, any color, whatever, I don't care. Fold it in half. Now we are going to use this to hide our pop-up. So it will go right over. Now I do not know it is a pop-up until I open it. We need to glue this down. When you glue it, you want to glue all around, but do not, whatever you do not glue right here, or else you will glue your card shut and you will get an F plus if you did everything else right. Guess what we need to do to the other side? Exact same thing. Make sure you only use a little bit of glue and do not glue right here. Put your cap back on the glue. Let's decorate the cover. I really have no idea what to put on here. So I'm going to make it up really quickly and hope that it is not horrible. Whoops. I don't think I like this very much. That's okay. Good enough, I guess. I don't actually know the parts of a boat, so I hope this is accurate. Whoa. 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 Whoa.